Welcome to the match. Fans seem like they are really looking forward to the game. Let's have a look at the lineup for both teams. The match is underway. Losing possession. Goal! There goes the ball. Looking for options. Losing possession. Heavy shot. Score! Again. Good play, one-on-one. Fails to keep the ball. Might be able to get in behind the defence. Seeking out a passing lane. Carrying the ball forward. Quarter of the half gone. Both teams showing positive intent. Losing possession. Losing possession. It's in! Plenty of power on that. Doubles the personal tally. There goes the ball. Losing possession. Heavy shot. Glorious goal! Again. Might be able to get in behind the defence. Keeping possession nicely. Well, that's how to dispossess the opponent. Fails to keep the ball. Good ball movement and a decent position here. Nice one. Firing from the corner. That was an amazing save. So we'll restart with that throw-in. Fails to keep the ball. Losing possession. Heavy shot. What a perfect hat-trick. There goes the ball. Fails to keep the ball. Losing possession. Fails to keep the ball. It's in! Plenty of power on that. What a stunning display of finishing. Again. Losing possession. That's great defending. They're stopping that attack. Goal! There goes the ball. Fails to keep the ball. It's in! Plenty of power on that. What brilliant anticipation from the goalkeeper. And then Entertaining first half. Both teams were quite aggressive in the game. The two teams have swapped sides, and we are now ready for the second half. Carrying the ball forward. Losing possession. Might be able to get in behind the defence. Denied by the keeper. Impressive. Fails to keep the ball. Heavy shot. It's the moment. Yes, it is. Again. Losing possession. Losing possession. Seeking out a passing lane. That's a perfect goal! There goes the ball. Fails to keep the ball. Face to face with the goalkeeper. Oh, good save. Didn't miss by very much. Looking to find space. Just missed a golden opportunity. Trying to find the target man. Beautiful footwork. Goal! Again. Losing possession. Losing possession. Heavy shot. It's in. There goes the ball. Fails to keep the ball. Fails to keep the ball. Good play, one-on-one. Losing possession. Fails to keep the ball. Nice block. Good ball movement and a decent position here. Losing possession. Losing possession. Fails to keep the ball. And the ball is in the net. Crowd would have gone crazy, and quite rightly, so what a finish that is. Again. Losing possession. Keeping possession nicely. Sensational stop from the keeper. The cross is coming in. Oh, they lose possession now. Firing from the corner. Goal! There goes the ball. Fails to keep the ball. Losing possession. Seeking out a passing lane. Off the post! Will they find the net? He scored! They've decided that now is the time for him to go to the bench. losing possession. Goalkeeper relatively untroubled. Referee has blown the whistle, and we have a final score.